Donald Trump is back in a New York courthouse. As we've reported this week, the state attorney general is seeking $250 million in fines in a civil fraud case. And today's proceedings come after a controversy that once again revolves around something the former U.S. president has posted online. That's led the judge to impose a limited gag order. More on that in just a moment. But first, CBC's Chris Reyes joins us once again from outside that federal courthouse in Manhattan. What's happening there today?
Natasha, it's only 17 minutes into the proceedings. So much has happened already. We know that Trump left his penthouse on Fifth Avenue to travel to the courthouse, took the side entrance, went into the courtroom right on time, right at 10 o'clock, but not before talking to cameras. And he didn't say anything that we haven't already heard. He once again vigorously attacked the Attorney General, Letitia James, who brought this case forward. He then railed against the fact that this is a bench trial, meaning no jury, and the ruling rests on this one judge, a judge that he's also attacked. Have a listen to what Trump said right before he went inside.
This witch hunt does not allow me a jury. A lot of people saying, oh, that can't be possible, somebody didn't check a box. Has nothing to do with it. Under 6312, you are not entitled to a jury. It's the first time it's ever been used for a purpose like this. Never been used. They used it on me, the former president, the leading candidate. I'm leading Joe Biden by a lot, which is probably why this is all happening. Not probably, it's definitely. They're coordinating with Washington, 100%.
You know, Natasha, with anything Trump, it's hard to fact-check him fast enough. I was there at the start of this trial when the judge said the reason why there's no jury is because Trump's team didn't ask for one. Now Trump is referring to this very specific New York law. Very little time I've had to read about it. He's referring to a law in which this same judge in a different case ruled against having a jury. So that's what he's referring to. But I think what you're really seeing here is Trump running a different narrative outside of the courtroom than what's happening inside. And we're just trying to very quickly follow along to everything that he's saying. And he is talking a lot.
Well, actually, he shouldn't be talking according to the judge because he has been imposed with a gag order. What can you tell us about that, Chris?
That's right. Why is he still talking, right? Well, that's because that's a limited gag order. So yesterday, Judge Engoron, during the lunch break, said that he was made aware of a post on one of Trump's social media accounts about one of his clerks, a photo of her posing with Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer. He called that post disparaging, publicly identifying. He ordered Trump's team to take it down, and then he told them to stop talking about any of his staff members. But that doesn't prevent Trump from talking about anything else about this case.
And Chris, this whole trial is meant to go all the way up until the holiday season. Do you have a sense of how often we're going to see Trump? Is he just going to keep showing up?
Yeah, in a word, no. We have no idea if he's just going to keep showing up day after day. I mean, I've sat in that courtroom watching Trump as he sits through proceedings hour by hour. I've watched him as he's walked out of the courtroom talking to cameras. He doesn't seem to be in any hurry to leave this trial. He's leaned more into these proceedings than any of the other court battles that he's embroiled in. And I think that's because in this trial, he's not only defending himself, he's defending his brand, he's defending his reputation. He's also confirmed that he will take the witness stand when it's time. So that could be weeks from now. What I can't imagine, Natasha, is that he'll be here day after day given his campaign schedule.
CBC's Chris Reyes in New York. Thank you.